Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to calculate the angle between 2 points on a plane in JavaScript. We'll use math atan2 to get the angle and convert it into degrees. Let's see how this works out and why it's so useful. We often need to find the angle between 2 points on the screen or a grid. It helps with animations, game mechanics, and drawing. We will also calculate this using a built-in JavaScript functions. Let's jump into the code and break it down. We define a function that takes in coordinates for 2 points. Then we use math atan2 to get the angle in radians. Finally, we convert the result to degrees with 180 divided by math pi. That's all there is to it. It's simple and powerful. First, we get the difference between 2 points on the x and y axes. Then, we feed those into math atan2, which gives us the angle. We convert from radians to degrees to get a more intuitive value. This works perfectly with screen coordinates where y grows downward. Let's look at some examples to check our logic. Going from 1 and 0 to 2 to 12 and 0 gives us 0 degrees, perfectly horizontal. From 1 and 0 up to 1 and 10 gives us 90 degrees. You can use this pattern with any pair of points. This angle calculation is key in many game and graphic applications. You can use it to rotate objects, aim projectiles, or guide movement paths. It is also super useful in robotics and UI work. Now, let's wrap up with a quick recap. And that's how you calculate angles between points in JavaScript. We've used Math 8 and 2 to make this fast and reliable. Try it in your next game, animation, or interactive project. Thanks for tuning in, and keep building cool stuff. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.